Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve question number 4 from the exercise 2.5. This is under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus. So the fourth question is express in kg. They have given all these units in the gram and we have to convert it into kg. Before doing that, we need to understand the conversion factor. So 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. 1 kg equals to 1000 gram is the conversion factor. So when we are going from bigger unit to smaller unit, we will multiply with this 1000, and when we are going from smaller unit to bigger unit, we will divide with the 1000. Here gram is smaller compared to kg. Gram is smaller compared to kg. Now first is 200 gram and we have to convert it into kg. So when we are converting gram into kg, so we are going from smaller unit to bigger unit, so we have to divide here. We have to divide with 1000. So let us write here that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So 1 gram equals to 1 divided by 1000 kg. Now we have 200 gram. So that means equals to 200 divided by 1000 kg. So here 0, 0 we can cut from the numerator and from the denominator. So we will get 2 divided by 10. So that means equals to 0.2 kg. That means it is equals to 0.2 kg. So 200 gram we have converted into kg and that is 0.2 kg. Now let us talk about the second one, that 3470 gram. So conversion factor is 1 gram equals to 1 divided by 1000 kg. So 1 gram equals to 1 divided by 1000 kg. So here this gram we have 3470, that we are going to divide with 1000. So we can convert it into kg. Now 0, 0 we can cut and we will get here 3.47 because 2 zeros are left in the denominator and we can cut point from the ones place, 1 and 2. So here we can put a decimal point. So 3.47 kg is the answer. So that means 3 kg and 470 gram is the conversion. That 3.47 kg is the conversion. Next is 4 kg 8 gram. Now this is 4 kg and 8 gram. So this is already kg. This gram we have to convert it into kg. This gram we have to convert it into kilogram. So 8 gram equals to 8 divided by 1000 kg. 8 gram equals to 8 divided by 1000 kg. So equals to, we will get 0.008 kg. So this is the kg's conversion. From 8 gram we got 0.008 kg. Now that we have to add into this. So 4 plus 0.008 kg when we are adding, we will get 4.008 kg in total. 8 kg in total. What we have done here, this is already into the kilogram. So we do not need to convert this into kilogram. We only need to convert this 8 gram into kilogram. So we have converted 8 gram into kilogram and that is 0.008 kg. So that we have to add into this 4 kg. So our complete kilogram here is 4.008 kilogram.